Okay, so we are in this button click, question 3 on page 68. We're continuing with this program, box office app. When the average is pressed, we're going to determine and display the average ticket sales across all the movies being shown. And that is a very typical and easy thing to do. Obviously, we need a variable called R average. We have to make it real. We will then need a for loop counter K. We are going to go through every single box. We're going to sum it up. And how many boxes do we have that are filled? Well, we can see there's 10. So our number is going to be 10. So we don't need that. We're going to have a sum, our sum. See, we are summing up all the numbers in AR tickets. We have to go and look at what data type it is, and it is an integer. So we have our sum colon integer, and then we have now we're going to have we're going to use the for loop. Okay, okay, but of course our sum must be set to 0 because we're going to sum up all the numbers. For k equals 1 to 10. There's 10 boxes that are being covered here. Do and begin and end, and all we're going to do is our sum colon equals our sum plus AR tickets square brackets k. And that would be it. And then all at the end, all you have to do is say R average equals our sum divided by 10. And we have to display it somewhere. Don't know where we will display it. Display the average ticket sales across all movies being shown. I guess we can put it in the rich edit after the last one. So I'm going to introduce red out dot lines dot add. This is being recorded. Excuse me. As you know, this is being recorded. Average ticket sales. Always make sure you have a good message. And I'm going to join that to a float to string f. And remember that number of tickets is not a currency. If you want to round it to no decimal places, that is one way to do it. So that was relatively easy, wasn't it? All right. Let's see what we've got so far. We had a hit or miss. And then the average, 53. And now we have a block adjust. I guess that average looks about right because we have a 19 and a 20 there as well, eh? Don't know, sweetheart. Oh, random numbers. Random numbers were introduced in the tickets array. Do you see that? Yeah, it will be different. Right, this block adjust. The next one is 3.3. 100 tickets per movie to a local school. Right, block adjust, which will increase the ticket sales of all movies by 100. So we're going to add 100 to every single school. And that's it, folks. That's actually quite simple. We'll use a for loop because we're going to go through every single array box. Okay, integer. And we are putting it into the array. So we say for k equals 1 to 10. There's 10 boxes that are filled. And all we're going to do is say ARR tickets, square brackets k, equals the previous ARR tickets, square brackets k, plus 100. And then you can write the procedure to display. If you want to see your update. Oh, it is written there already. See, they wrote a method called display. This is user-defined methods. So far, these are very easy questions. The next one's not so easy though. The next one's actually grade 12 standard work. Removing and inserting and deleting from an array. This is grade 12 work, really. If we get to remove a movie and locate the movie en route, so we're not going to do that one. So we're basically at the end of arrays, I would say. But we'll do more exercises for revision purposes later on.